Today we're going to be making my salmon rillette with toasted bagel chips, a healthy and easy snack for munching or for your next dinner party. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to toast my mini bagels. So I'm just slicing them in half, drizzling a little bit of olive oil on them, and seasoning with salt, getting them into the oven and getting them nice and golden brown. Now we're gonna make my salmon rillette. First thing we're gonna do is add my clover leaf flaked sockeyed salmon. We're just gonna break up the salmon so that we're gonna get nice small pieces. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the cream cheese that's been sitting out at room temperature, so it makes it a lot easier to mix. Once your salmon and your cream cheese have been incorporated, I'm gonna add some lemon zest, some lemon juice, some chopped red onion, parsley, chives, and dill. We're gonna add a nice big pinch of seasoning and then give it a mix. I love using this salmon because it's full of really good vitamins, omega-3 and vitamin D, and it's all natural. Now we're gonna plate up the salmon rillette, just getting the salmon into a bowl, placing those really delicious toasted bagel chips around, garnish with some chopped chives, and it's that simple. Oh my God. That's so good. Head to cloverleaf.ca for the recipe.